Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to add another account in CommBank. So to add another account in Commonwealth Bank, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and log in into your CommBank account. When you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. Now from the home page, you have to go to the accounts tab, and next to it, you'll be able to find the plus button in the top right hand side corner of your screen. When you actually press on that, you need to go ahead and select the type of account you want to add. So enter the details of your account you want to add, including the account number as well as the BSP number. When you're done entering all of these information, you need to go ahead and click on add account button for the confirmation. There will be some sort of terms and conditions, so review all of the information that has been mentioned over there, and if you're sure about it, then confirm it, and within couple, and it's gonna and through the email or an SMS, you'll be notified that you've successfully added another account in Commonwealth Bank. So with that, you've completed your steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.